Many of you must have tried a lot to enhance your English, and many of you may have given up so far in this English journey. But when you see others speaking English, you feel jealous and you are so disappointed that time. That time you may be thinking that I wish I could speak English. But guys, by regretting, we are not gonna achieve anything. Honestly, now see, now you are watching me, you are listening to my English. If I had done nothing in my past, and now if I would be regretting, then does it make any sense? Of course not. See, if we really want to enhance the English, then we need something. So, what we need, how we have to do. So, if you stay tuned in this video and watch this completely end, and definitely you are going to get that particular thing, that important thing, which will help you develop yourself, improve your English. So, without any further delay, let's get started this video. So, hi everyone. As you know that my name is Gudar Dharwa. I'm an English trainer at Fluent Odisha. So, as I have already mentioned in some previous videos that I have already started my coaching center in Titlagad, and where you can come, join, and start practicing together with other learners as well as with me. So, guys, we all want to enhance our English, but something there is standing like an obstacle in our journey, which is pulling us back, and which is holding us very tightly, not letting us go forward. So, what we can do to enhance our English? So, simply, we do not have to do a lot of things or adventure. Also, we can say what we need. We need a person with whom we can talk. We need a way where we can practice our English and develop our personality too. We can enhance our confidence. So, by thinking, by applying some shortcut tricks, by watching only random English videos on YouTube, on different platforms to enhance our English, that's not gonna work, by the way. I don't think so. It will ever work. So if you ask me like how I improved my English, then of course not by thinking and not by listening and watching English content. Rather, I started putting my efforts in terms of learning this language. I didn't only think, I didn't only watch videos, guys, like you, honestly. I watched videos simultaneously. I started improving myself through those videos. In the beginning, I practiced some basic things which are needed to form sentences. After that, I started speaking with people. So, see, now you may tell me that now there is no any person who can talk to us, who can give his time to us to communicate in this English so that we can enhance. So, you don't need to worry about that. I am here to guide you, to train you. I have two modes where you can join and enhance, guys. First is online mode, second one is offline mode. So yeah, online mode is always available. You can join simultaneously offline. I'm not saying, just a silly mistake. So if you are interested in learning English, then yes, you can join my online course at very low price, guys. There I conduct one-on-one sessions, which is so productive, which is so amazing. In a few months, you can definitely see your improvement in terms of this English language or this foreign language. And yes, if you are near Titlagad or if you are from our Western Odisha, then you can join my offline coaching center in Titlagad, and there you can see your growth. There you can develop yourself, because I know I'm not conducting here only spoken English classes, but simultaneously I'm including different type of activities as well, which can help you develop your personality, which can develop completely to yourself. So a lot of things, guys. So instead of thinking too much to enhance your English, you can practice with someone. I'm not saying that I'm the only person with whom you can talk, but yes, you need a trainer, you need a person who can train you, who can guide you. So there are many trainers, guys. You can go to them, or if you are interested in my speaking or in my teaching, then yes, you can contact me. I'll conduct your sessions, and say yes, within a couple of months, I can definitely give you that improvement that you are craving for or that you are looking forward for a long time. So guys, these are all things just I wanted to let you know. So if there is anything else, then you can let me know in the comment box. I will definitely reply to your comments. So let's meet very soon in another video on the topic of how to improve our English and what can help us improve the different type of things. So thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, guys.